do they do with this water, and now what have we done by putting in the filter?
Okay. Okay. Action.
Go. Oh, when she says go, I'm ready.
Do I have to say my name?
Yes.
Okay. Hi. Caption. Hi, I'm Vanya. Okay, what we're looking at, it's the rainwater. Like, you can see inside a lot of bacteria. They drink it. They do everything with it. Wash dishes and a lot of stuff. So, we here to bring them filter, you know, and they're installing the filter right now while we are talking, so you can see the water. What else? What else?
Do they get sick drinking this water?
Yes, they get sick. As you can see the water, you're filming it, right? You see the small bacteria inside?
Swimming.
Yeah. And then what else? Done.
Now show me where the filter is.
The filter is in. You have to
Inside. Follow the leader.
The filter. Come inside. This is the filter. This is the filter. So it's good. That's the filter.
And what does the filter do? How does it work?
You got all. Okay. You pour the water here, and then the clean water comes here. So. Oh my God.
Say bye-bye. Au revoir.
Bye bye.